Determine the position of the gate rubber stop. Select the proper bolt or screw to install the rubber stop, according to the actual demand. Open the top cover of the controller box. Connect the extension 2 conductor cable to control board. Always keep this side facing the bottom during operation, so that the magnetic block can sense the limit device at the bottom. Adjust the limit near the front bracket a little to the other. Loosen the limit stops with a screwdriver, move it to the center, and then lock the stop with a screw. Assemble and fix the rear bracket in sequence. Insert gaskets or screws in turn and tighten. The bracket has multiple holes for flexible adjustment. Attach the rear bracket to the arm using the clevis pin and the bolt. Use the manual release key to release the screws hole. Put in the front bracket and use the key to lock it. The front bracket will not fall off. Fully open the gate and set up the motor tube. Determine the initial position of the front bracket. Mark the vertical position of the front bracket. The motor connects to the motor 2 port and power on. Press the remote and extension arm. Always keep the limit and the front bracket slot on the same side during operation. The motor senses the limit and stops. Power off, remove the motor line. Fully close gate and set up the motor to determine rear bracket mounting position. Place the front stand along the marks just made. Initial fixation. Put the level and confirm the horizontal position. Fix it with a G-shaped frame. Press the remote control to open and close the gate for testing, and it operates normally. Mark holes of the rear bracket. Use the manual release key to release the front. Break it and mark the hole positions. Remove the front bracket and the clamp and drill holes. Drill holes in the rear bracket and select appropriate expansion screws for fixation. Select the appropriate expansion screws to fix the front bracket. Put in the front bracket and use the key to lock it. Attach the rear bracket to the arm using the clevis pin and the bolt. Press the remote control to close and open the gate. Installation completed.